Gabriel, so your time to ask me anything you want to ask me.
Okay. So,
I want to put you up on the spot. So I'm older than you know, so I'm full of wisdom. So in terms of relationship, life, anything in general, work.
alright. What do most men want from a woman?
What do most men want from a woman? Yeah, that's a good question. Alright, so most men we want, I would say, I'd broke it down to say three things. We want sex, we want a woman we can trust, and we want comfort. Once we get them three things there, I think the rest of them, you know, we work on the rest. But them three things that I mean, we want good sex, good comfort, and trust. And so now we can trust a woman, yeah,
Okay.
that's a big thing for us.
So how you think a female should treat a man?
Alright, so a female, it all depends on the man culture too, you know, it depends because some man, them come from a Christian home, so they want a woman treat them like how them say, probably their mother treat them father, coming from a Christian home, you know. Rasta go on, Rasta treatment, you know, ital dishes and natural food and everything more natural and stuff like that. You know, so it all depends who you're dating or who you're talking to, I would say.
Okay. Alright. Do you think they should be normalizing our relationship? Should a male have a female best friend?
Male have a female best friend. But both man and woman, I would say nothing on him male or female best friend. The person that have to gay. You know?
Like to gain your trust, like you have a close friend, and you've been with them throughout your life, actually like grow with them, and
Well, that's different. You kinda, if you grow like brother and sister, that's a little different. But somebody where them just meet and them say, oh, you know, say, I'm a bestie this now, man or woman. That's a if you grow with a person, then they are different things. That the more you have a little brother and sister type of thing, is the way. As I said, the person got the other way, then man, I think we more kind of look past it. If the female have a male best friend and him not move right, then we kind of look past it.
yeah.
You know, so the woman same thing too. If
Yeah,
the man,
same goes for
if the
female.
man best friend is a female, but I want butch. She gotta look past and say, well, I don't know competition for me this side of the thing. You never see her that way then.
Alright. For instance, you have a wife,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna say wife, no, should I say girlfriend actually?
Yeah, man.
If you have a girlfriend, no, you have a best friend, right?
Yeah.
And you start one girl in a relationship with other female. So do you think if your girlfriend say you should stop talking to your best friend, you would have stopped talking to her, or you would have cut she off?
Why again, as you say, if you come from far with your best friend, you know, you grow with this
Or
person.
somebody close to you? Could be anyone.
Yeah, so boyfriend or girlfriend, it's hard for us to tell you're supposed to cut off somebody. If them just meet them, sure, easy cut off that. But if them grow with the person from them a child, like them a babies coming up, you know, I got them cut off that person for the person where them there with. So it always depends. It's a tricky thing. But for me personally, no, I don't want a woman who have no male best friend. I'm not about that. Even the female best friend, it's hard to trust them much less.
Yeah, some of them could be lesbian.
Yeah, alright. You know, enough time I talk to girl and my eyes in the back of my head, I say, you know, that girl is lesbian. That's the way she move with her friend.
Just imagine what they do in private.
Alright, yeah, what? And them go party. Remember Bridget did talk about this for one of the podcasts. Them go party and them a dance up together like man and woman. I think a man and woman are dance and a two woman, a beer joke. Beer 100 stab a go and all type of thing. You know, so it tricky.
Yeah,
nowadays it's tricky.
Some of them may have this close relationship and do everything together. Like them in a relationship, but them not into each other.
Yeah.
I know them type of relationship, but me never experience that with a female, never.
Yeah, but experience a female sex one gay. So. Never encounter that yet. Well, you're young still, so you have time. You still encounter one, man. But you go out and see them, man.
Yeah, and to be honest, some girl come to me and tell them they don't like me and so.
Yeah, the woman look you too, yeah.
But I don't have any feelings for women, so don't.
So it's regular woman or them butchies, the butchy type, them look you?
Them look normal actually.
Them look normal, yeah. You wouldn't tell.
Yeah, you wouldn't even tell. Not even, if I did stud now, it's easier to tell.
Right.
Because them dress a certain type of way.
Right.
And I see them not dress or nothing. Although some female may wear men clothes too as well, like me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So, do you think, a man should like a female picture while they're in a relationship?
Yeah, man, as a part of culture now. Instagram, TikTok, just regular. Your man a scroll through him feed him, I go see it. So if him like it, like it. And if you like vice versa, you scroll through some man pic and see something you like it, man.
If it's normal picture.
All when it's not normal, everything normalized now.
Well, I would say no.
Sorry, so you know like if your man one girl in a one bikini, him not like that picture there.
It comes like to me like you're losing out for the person.
Yeah.
No, yes. Yeah, like you're trying to get their attention.
Right.
And you like them picture and stuff. But I don't think that should be normalized in a relationship.
So again, you know, here what me in the video production and photo business. So it's my job to look out for potential girls that have talent. So if me see a girl that have bikini still, I'll say, oh, you know that girl that she bad. Boom, like the picture. So again, it depends. If you're mad in a them type of work there.
Well, yeah, I've got some females that can come up to that still.
Yeah.
Like, them strong.
Yeah.
It's not the insecure one, them. You can't do that around them.
Yeah.
Not at all. Not always argue about it.
You don't say you're easily jealous then?
Yes, very jealous.
So even if you're man, you just see him over there and talk to a woman and you not look at her. You want to know what go on. Yo.
You
So
wanna walk past, yes? Like me know you.
So you suppose something will go on, you fight she?
Fight, like...
Literally fight. Like, you know the fighting thing.
No. I would never fight a female for a guy. I just tell you to take him. If you easily can talk with that means say, oh, your man you can take him.
Yeah.
And even look back. It should be friendly. Both male and female.
Yeah.
But the female should be friendly. Like me know say, me kinda friendly, yes.
Right.
I may talk to people, but my intention is not what the male are think say, oh, because some men, you know,
yeah,
them things say because you talk to them feel say you like them.
You like them,
So
right.
them start flirt up, and when you start put them into place, in them place now, they say go wrong.
I never know, you know, so you stay,
and them start
like
say, oh, we are move so far, you never have behave so and them so, I don't know, but I don't know why them stay so. But I think them should look a female when she's in a relationship with a guy. If you're supposed to respect the relationship, like respect the person you're together.
Right.
So,
True.
You may go to the road, you and your wife may go out the road, and then a guy may stop and say, miss, you look nice right in front of you. What would you do?
In front of my woman.
Yeah, and in front of you.
Yeah, I take the compliment, man. I take the compliment and keep it moving. But yeah, I'm not going to flirt back with her. That's disrespectful. I'm flirt back with her in front of
Right.
my woman. So, you know, yeah, we have levels to the thing, yes.
As for a female, if a female come up to us and say, I walk with my boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
She come up and say, me look nice and them thing. It's not really me. She a try to get you.
Right.
She trying to get
That's
you.
under Sykes.
Yes. So most females do that.
Yeah.
So we know because we do it.
Right. So you know the game.
Yeah.
And I want to give some advice to in terms of like with man and woman relationship. Though it's tricky nowadays, you know, because if a man, you know, if a man, some man weird, you know. Them have the woman as a front, as a cover up. You see me? And behind doors, him not right to either. So just watch say, yeah, he might talk to she, I might talk to she. Watch him might talk to him, too, I might talk to him. Nowadays, crazy.
Especially if you don't know them back.
Right.
Family members.
So you have to get to know.
If you talk to that person, you know, and she don't know about him,
Yeah.
she don't know about the other person, you may talk and say, oh, I'm a cousin, I'm a friend, and this and that. That they use as cover up, yes. Well, I don't know, I never experienced because I've never done it before and never changed anybody's name to a family member name. I find it weird actually. I don't know. When I hear most people say that, I wonder what, like, who does that?
I get a joke. Some of brethren, him actually married the girl, move her and everything, them all live together. And him say, our cousin will come over. So him say, cool, the cousin come over is a male cousin. I said, the male cousin cool, the male cousin cool, the one never kick it off, them all play PlayStation together, video game, everything, blah, blah, blah. I said, man, about 6 months in a relationship, and me and this nigga cool, video game every day, da 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 da. The one